Dear friends, as the sound of the music of Christmas is going round, jingle bells we hear, I would want to wish you a very happy Christmas and a very happy New Year. May the babe of Bethlehem, born in the Holy Family, be always with you, and the joys and sorrows of your life will surely be much attended to by Jesus, who was born in a manger. I wish you a very happy Christmas and a happy New Year. God bless you.
We wish you a happy Christmas and a happy New Year.
Christmas ಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. Happy New Year.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. From Asha.
From Nitya Sadhist.
Wish you all Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
We are from ABB. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
ಬೈಬಲ್ ಆಯೋಗದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾಗೂ ಹೊಸ ವರ್ಷದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
Happy Christmas and Happy New Year.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ PRO ಆಫೀಸ್ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ತ ಜಯಂತಿಯ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
Happy Christmas and Happy New Year.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
We wish you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of our hearts.
Wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from our Census Department.
Wish you all a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year.
From Legal Department, we wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
At the outset, I take this opportunity to wish all a very happy Christmas and a prosperous New Year.
I also wish the same to all our colleagues and dear fathers and sisters.
Wish you a Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year.
Happy Christmas and advance New Year.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
Wish you all a Merry Christmas.
We wish you all a Merry